Hi viewers, you're watching DS Lifestyle, and in this video I'll be telling you all how to grow goldfish. So stay tuned till the end of video for knowing everything about growing your goldfish. First step in growing your goldfish is hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Now let's really move on to the topic of growing your goldfish. So the first step out here is maintaining the water quality and your filtration system. Your filtration system must be very good. It should convert ammonia straight to nitrates. Ammonia must not be there in your water because ammonia stops the growth of your goldfish. You must also do frequent water changes because water change would remove the nitrates from the water, and it will also remove the hormone released by goldfish, which stunts the growth of your goldfish as well as the neighboring goldfish in that tank. So water change is compulsory. As we have discussed about the water quality, so now let's come to the water temperature. The temperature of your water should be between 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, because at this temperature the metabolism of your fish is quite good. It is at its optimum, it is very high. As the metabolism of your fish is very good at this temperature, so your fish can digest more amount of food in small amount of time. Temperature plays a main role in boosting the metabolism of every fish because they are cold blooded animal, and their body temperature is dependent on the temperature of water. So therefore you must increase the temperature in order to boost the metabolism and growth of your fish. Now let's come to the third point, which is food. So for making your goldfish bulky and massive, you must feed them protein based diet, high protein based diet. High protein food would help them in growing massive like huge tennis balls. So you must feed them high protein diet, but with that high protein diet, you must also feed them veggies like you can see in this video. I'm feeding them broccoli because green veggies are very good for their digestion system. So you must feed them green vegetables as well as high protein based diet. For food, you can give your goldfish pellets or fresh food. For fresh food, you can use frozen bloodworms or you can use boiled egg whites. Boiled egg whites prove to be very useful and very good for your goldfish and the growth of your goldfish. Bloodworms are also very rich in protein, so they would also boost the growth of your goldfish. You can also give prawns to your goldfish, the flesh of prawns, that would also help in boosting the growth of your goldfish. But boiled egg whites is really compulsory, and you can also feed your goldfish with frozen bloodworm, that also proves good for your goldfish. For pellet, you can use saki hikari or any other good pellet which has high protein content. It is also important to know the frequency of feeding your goldfish, the frequency of giving food to your goldfish. As you have boosted the temperature of the goldfish tank, the water of goldfish tank, so the metabolism of goldfish is also high. So now you can feed the pellets or fresh food to your goldfish more frequently but in small amount, so that your goldfish can absorb the nutrients from that food and grow. You can feed your goldfish 4 to 5 times a day in small meals, in small sizes of meal, so that your goldfish can absorb more of that food, the more nutrition content from that food, and use that nutrition content in its growth. So now let me give you a brief summary of this video. Good water quality, good water temperature, good food with good water changes, high amount of water changes, frequent amount of water changes, and frequent amount of small meals can really boost the growth of your goldfish. So I hope the video proved to be useful for you all, and if you all like the video, then please hit the like button, Also, do subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can.